Hi, I'm Dom, and I'm here to tell you how you can protect your apps and games with one weird trick. It's called the Play Integrity API, and I'll tell you everything you need to know in under 2 minutes. You call the Play Integrity API at important moments in your apps and games to make sure that your server is really interfacing with your genuine app running on a genuine Android device. If something's off, then you can show a challenge or deny access to functionality that you want to protect. In this way, you can protect your business from revenue loss and protect your users from harm. Early data shows that developers using the API to reduce unauthorized usage of their apps are reducing it by over 50% compared to unprotected apps. Here's how it works. When a user performs an action like signing in or joining a multiplayer session, your backend server will kick off a request for a Play Integrity verdict. Play will return a verdict that tells you if your interaction was your unmodified app, installed by Google Play, and on a genuine Android device. If there's something wrong with the verdict, you can ask the user to verify themselves or limit access to features you want to protect. Here are 3 features you should know about. 1. In the Google Play console, you can customize your API integration. Here you can change the responses your app receives and set up test responses for your test accounts. 2. In the coming weeks, we're rolling out a new Integrity API report so you can analyze and break down your API responses across your install base. This will help you spot issues and adapt your anti-abuse strategy. 3. We're rolling out a new device debugging option. You just have to access the Play Store's developer mode settings, and there you'll be able to generate and share an Integrity API verdict from any device. Developers have been asking for this for testing, debugging, and troubleshooting purposes. You can get started with the Play Integrity API today at g.co/play/integrityAPI.